Hey, welcome back to Quiz Parrot. Today we're bringing you a brand new challenge. Choose one Squishy Dumpling Edition. Let's see just how lucky you are. You'll face 30 exciting rounds with only 8 seconds to make each choice. Plus, we've added a few fun mini games along the way to keep you on your toes. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's start the fun. Get ready for your first choice. Choose your mansion. Which one will you pick? Which squishy dumpling would you choose this round? Parrot chose the lily pad bed. Choose your squishy. You need to find the on dumpling that looks different from the others. You're running out of time. Yeah, you found it. Here it is. Choose your backpack. Oh, who's on Team Kitty? Raise your hand. Are you ready for the next round? Choose your castle. Which squishy dumpling would you choose this round? Parrot chose the dolphin sink. Choose your cheesecake. New challenge coming up. Lock your eyes on the screen and memorize this exact emoji setup. Wait, can you spot the rainbow one? Did you catch it? It's hiding behind number 5. Parrot will choose the gold squishy dumpling this round. Wow, it's the Pokémon bedroom. Are you ready for the next round? Choose your coffee machine. Round 12. Choose what you like. Let's choose your car. Parrot is very curious to know what your choice is. Would you rather ride a luxury quad bike or a futuristic bike? Press the like button if you prefer the quad bike, or subscribe to the channel if you prefer the futuristic bike. Keep going. Choose your toilet. Which squishy dumpling would you choose this round? Take a look at the next round. Choose your villa. Choose your Starbucks. Parrot will choose the left side dumpling this round. Wow, it's the Minion Garage Room! Bonus round. A dumpling is hiding somewhere among these food items. Can you spot it? Amazing! You got it! Great job! Choose your Xbox. Parrot is very curious to know what your choice is. Round 22. Choose your alarm clock. Choose your favorite ice cream. Look how cute this jelly ice cream is. Keep going. Choose one squishy dumpling water slide. Next up, choose your dining table. Let's pick your billiard room. Did anyone choose the Mario billiard room like Parrot? Unscramble the letters to reveal the food. Can you solve it before the clock runs out? Time's up. The correct answer is pizza. Did you get it right? Choose your speaker. Oh, a Google speaker would help you relax while listening to music. Next up, choose your gaming room. final challenge. Which squishy dumpling will you choose this time? And that's it for today's challenge. What did you think about today's quiz? Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, choose your next challenge from the left or right side of the screen and keep the fun going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Quiz Parrot for more exciting adventures. See you next time!